Okay, hello guys. In this short video, we are going to see how you can add reward aid just like this in your application. And I'm gonna create new project over here, brand new one. Start new project and go to empty activity next. Our app name will be reward. Let's just say reward ads. Sorry, my bad. Reward ads. This is our application name, and then you can click on finish, and then it will take some time. Okay, our project is done building, and now we are going to see uh, the XML file over here. This is XML file, and I'm going to change to project directory. This is my preferred directory. Come to source, main, Java, and this is all our Java activity, and this is the layout for the Java. And click on this I button over here, show decoration, and there you go. Now what we want to do is, let me just remove this. Sorry, to save our time, I'm just gonna copy and paste this code. I'll explain everything over here. I'll provide the link for this block as well. You can just copy and paste. So now what we have to do, we need to add mob dependency over here, just like we mentioned over here. I'm just gonna copy this and then come to gradle.build over here. Come at bottom, and then there you can paste it over here. I just paste it and sync now. Okay, it is done now. You can see we have newer version as well, 19.01. I'm just gonna keep this version only. Now come back to the block, which is over here. Now once we have added the implementation over here, what you can do in the main activity, we have defined three objects over here. One is for reward add. This will be added from that dependency which we have added. Then this callback also. So you can just copy paste this code over here. Okay, my bad. I'm just gonna copy and paste it over here. Just copy this three line code. This is how we are declaring the variable over here. One divided, I'll enter to import over here, and the button, when you click on the button, it should show, and then the callback, what happened when this aid is loaded. Okay, it is done now. Now what we have to do, we have to once it is declared, we have to define it over here. So what I will do, I'll just come over here, and then this button is not there. We are going to add this button, and then this is the reward aid which we declare over here. So we are creating new function, and then we are giving this main activity all this path, and just import all this item over here. Okay, then toast. Okay, we have import everything, and this too will fix in the later. Now this required function, we are calling one function and then passing the add id, and then the context over here. So what we'll do, where is the function over here? Yeah, this is a function. So I'll just copy this function and come outside the loop over here and paste it here. Okay, and then you import this thing, class file and all. As you can see now, error is going to accept this one. We have to create button in the activity over here. So what we will do, we have this button over here. So I'm just going to add this button and copy, and this is in activity mail.xml over here. Just come to the code over here, then this is the layout which we have, and then I'm just gonna copy this and paste it over here. We got the button over here, claim reward, and then this id is claim id, which we define in the main activity over here. Now that error is gone. Okay, now I think everything is done over here, as simple as that. And then we may have to add before you run the application, as you can see, we have to add this application id and that advertisement in metadata over here. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it inside manifest, and come to manifest, and then activity over here, and inside application I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. Okay, it is done now. You may also have to add internet permission also. So I'm just going to add internet permission. So it come on top over here, and you can type use this permission directly, it will pop up, but I am just going to copy and paste because I want to save your time as well as mine. Okay, now since it is done now, I think it's everything is done over here. So we have added everything, and let's just see what we are gonna get. So before that, I want to explain like in short over here. So what we are doing is one button over here. When we click on that button, we want to display the reward 8 over here. Once reward 8 is displayed, what do you want to do? We want to call callback function to give reward like coin or something like that, whatever you want. So I'm just declaring the button, defining the button over here, and then reward 8. I'm defining the reward 8 by passing add id and context over here. So it will come here, and here we are defining what is it that reward add means. So reward add is a new reward add. You're passing this, and then Google will take care of here this function with this function. So once it is done, you are telling reward add to load and return the reward add. Now in this reward add, that is in this function return over here, we have the reward add over here. So what we are doing, we are going to, is it button over here. So okay, I haven't add the button code over here. So what do you want to do? You have to add this button once you click on that button over here. So in rewarded, we have the advertisement over here. So what we are going to do, the moment we click on the button, we are telling Android Studio that you should load the, if rewarded is already loaded, then the reward will be displayed after it, or else show the reward. It will display the reward, and then once it is displayed, it will call callback function, which we define over here. So if user has watched all the video, this function will call, and then you will get the report as well. Okay, that's all guys. Now I'm gonna just run this app, and we'll see whether this is working or not. Okay, so it's running over here. I think it's my emulator, it's pretty slow. I'm just gonna pause, and I'll see you when it's running. Okay guys, it seems like our app is running now. I haven't checked it yet. So see, once you get on there, you will get that this reward, claim reward button. So when you click on that, it should display the reward ad. Let me just click on this.
This is a rewarded video test ad. Nice job loading it. I'm going to go fire the reward callback for you.
Get 2 seconds, 1 second. And the moment you close the ad, you will get the reward coin in the toast. So that's all guys. I will provide the link in the description. You can check the description as well. And we also have not only this blog, we have like some many block over here, like you can add animation, authentication, and all this thing. You can check out with this website. I'll provide in the description. And all, you can also check Google official documentation over here. This is how they define reward it in the official documentation. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.